Hello everyone and welcome to our business model canvas presentation on Template, one of the most innovative platforms in modern software development. Today, coding is no longer limited to professionals, developers, or people with high-end systems. Replit has transformed that landscape by allowing anyone, students, freelancers, or teams to code, collaborate, and deploy applications directly from their browser. In this presentation, we will break down Replit's entire business structure using the business model canvas framework. We'll explore how it functions, how it creates values, how it reaches users, and how it sustains its business. Our goal is to clearly show how Replit has built a powerful digital ecosystem that democratizes programming and supports millions of users worldwide. Let's begin with key partners. Replit collaborates with several major organizations that strengthen its platform. Google Cloud and AWS provides the scalable infrastructure needed to run thousands of coding environments. OpenAI powers ghostwriters, Replit's AI assistant that speeds up coding and learning. Educational institutions such as universities and coding bootcamps integrate Replit to their teaching systems. Payment partners like Stripe support their transaction system for subscription and cycles. Next, we have Replit's key activities, which describes what Replit must do to keep delivering value. Developing their online IDE with real time collaboration, innovating AI tools like Ghostwriter, managing a global developer community, providing reliable hosting and deployment, conducting educational programs and partnerships. For key resources, Replit depends on their cloud based IDE, global server infrastructure, AI tools, and databases, a talented engineering and a productive team, a strong active community of developers.
A promised value proposition is the heart of its success. It promises a frictionless experience of coding without the usual setup, installation, or hardware limitations. Its first major value is instant accessibility. Anyone can start coding within seconds from any device. This reduces technical barriers and encourages more people to begin learning programming. Second is its beginner friendly design. Replit offers tutorials, templates, community spaces, and easy to use tools that support learning at every level. Third, Replit stands out with its AI powered development. Ghostwriter helps users write code faster, identify errors, and understand concepts better. It increases productivity and builds confidence for beginners. Another important value is real time collaboration. Multiple people can work on the same code simultaneously, just like Google Docs, but for programming. This feature benefits students doing group projects, developers working on shared tasks, and teachers guiding their classes. Overall, Replit empowers users to not just code but learn, collaborate, build, and deploy seamlessly.
Now, let's discuss how Replit builds relationship with its users and how it reaches them. For customer relationships, Replit uses a combination of self-service learning, where the intuitive interface allows users to explore freely, community-driven support through forums, Discord, and peer help, extensive documentation filled with guides and tutorials, personalized recommendations based on user behavior, projects, and skill level. These approaches help Replit maintain a supportive and interactive relationship with both new and advanced users. Next are the channels. The methods Replit uses to reach its audience. Their website and official blog offer updates, articles, and product news. YouTube tutorials help beginners understand coding and showcase platform features. Discord community allows real-time discussion, collaboration, and doubt clearing. Social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn spread products, updates, and community achievements. Educational partnerships connect Replit with students and teachers across schools and universities. Together, these channels help Replit grow rapidly while staying connected with its global user base. Replit serves a wide variety of customers, each with different needs. Students. Replit makes coding easy, accessible, and engaging. It supports them in learning languages, completing assignments, and building simple projects. Developers. Professionals use Replit for rapid prototyping, AI assisted coding, and deploying applications with minimal setup. Educators. Teachers benefit from collaborative coding environments where they can supervise students' work and guide them in real time. Teams and startups. Replits remove infrastructure complexity, allowing small teams to build and scale applications quickly. Enterprises. Replit offers secure environments, team management tools, and collaboration features tailored for large organizations. Replit's ability to serve such diverse group is a major reason behind its global popularity.
Replit cost structure includes cloud hosting expenses, AI model compute cost, salaries for engineering, product teams, marketing, and payment processing fees. Their revenue streams come from paid subscriptions like Hacker, Teams, and Ghostwriter Pro. Cycles, the virtual currency used for deployments and resources. Educational plans for institutions, customized enterprise solutions, their balanced model allows Replit to sustain growth while continuously improving its platform. Replit is more than just an online coding platform. It's a revolutionary ecosystem that breaks down traditional barriers to programming. By offering easy access, AI powered tools, real time collaboration, and powerful deployment features, Replit empowers students, developers, educators, and companies alike. Its business model canvas showcase how a simple idea coding from a browser can turn into a global movement that transforms how the world learns and builds software. Thank you for watching our presentation.